here we go. First off, go into MetaMask, click on the tab, go to browser, type in PiSwap.com. Perfect, you're going to connect your wallet, click on MetaMask, and it's all connected. Okay, go down, you're going to click on Trade Now, you're going to trade BNB and search for MiniDoge. Now put in the amount that you want to switch into MiniDoge. I'm doing 0.005, and then swap, confirm swap, wait for the confirmation, transaction submitted, close. Now you are going to wait till you get that little receipt. Can take some time. And there it goes, transaction receipt, perfect. Now you're gonna go back to your wallet and you wanna see it in your wallet, your tokens. So go to your Telegram app, go to official MiniDoge community. Then you are going to copy and paste the contract address. And then you are going to put in transactions. It says you have no transactions. So you are going to go to account, then go to token address, paste, perfect, put import, and there are your MiniDoge tokens.